good morning, welcome back to the channel. Weather's been so bad recently that I've not done any clips at all, so I've just been doing a bit of Instagram pictures and stuff like that. Leave our jangles on Instagram and get loads of updated pictures on there. Done some pictures yesterday. The weather was so bad, it was torrential rain, so we've done some pictures of Ogre to put along the top of the YouTube channel and Instagram and stuff like that. I'll show you what it is. It's this picture. That one. Great picture. My wife was driving. I had to dive out the way. It was freezing cold. It was soaking wet, but great picture, and it looked good as the banner going on the top. Now I'm going to give Ogre a wash in a minute. My wife made it really dirty, so I'll give her a wash in a minute. Next week I'll do a little clip of, I wouldn't say a little clip, might be a big clip, of me doing the windscreen washers. Now it's quite a big job, that one, but I will do a kind of bit of a clip on it just to give you an idea of what's involved. Part of the dashboard's got to come out and stuff like that, but it should be a good little job to do. As far as other things go, I'm going to reconfigure this stable block here, as they're falling down anyway. So I'm going to do a wash bay over there, and on this side here I'm going to do it into a workshop. Now the blue Land Rover, which is, I'll show you a picture, which is this one. Is going to come up here. I spend a lot of time up here, so I can do videos and clips and show you how it's going and get it finished off. At the moment it's quite a drive away, so I have to drive over there, get it out of the container. It's not ideal, so it's going to come up here where I can get it finished off. I've also got another Land Rover, which is my brother's, which has been in a shed for quite a while now. It's this one. I'll show you a picture of it. That one. Now that's a great project. It's a 90, but it's had, in the past, it's had so much money spent on it. It's got uprated Bulldog steering bars. It's even got Scorpion suspension, which, if I'm right, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Scorpion are now gone. But it's got Scorpion suspension on it. Loads of other really trick upgraded bits. They're a bit old and tired, but usable, but it all needs stripping down. We've just done the rear cross member on it because it was rusty, so that's done. The rest of the chassis is really good, bulkhead's really good. We're just going through the ideas of how we're gonna do it. We're going to put a lift kit on it. It's got a 2-inch anyway, so you might take it up another inch. Put some really big donut wheels on it. Just looking at pictures to see what kind of style we're going to do it in. It's got a full roll cage. Yeah, but it looks really good little project. So that'll be coming up here as well. So I'll have 2 projects up here, and I'll be able to do videos on a daily basis on what I'm doing, because this is really close to home, and I can do it virtually every day. So that's basically where we're at the moment. I'm gonna now do a little introduction onto the YouTube channel, so I should do that now. For those who follow me, you don't have to watch that one, but yeah, that's about it at the moment. Hopefully the weather will improve so we can do some better pictures very soon. So yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for watching, take care, bye.